Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform Baremetrics, and this is the best subscription analytics to help grow your business. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use. There's a link in the description that you can use to simply get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this. Alright, so currently we are inside the dashboard of Baremetrics, and the very first thing that you need to do is basically simply connect your data source. So could be Stripe, and you can see we have this Google Play Store option as well, much more. So if I simply drag or drop down this option for Play Store, you need to enter your Google bucket in here and your JSON credentials. Once you do, it will be fetching all of your data from your business and your data source account and importing in here, and everything will be displayed in this analytics form. So on the left side of your screen, you can see you have your home section, and you can also see your metrics. So this is where your metrics are going to be displayed. You have your forecast and forecast plus, which is the beta version that they recently released. Similarly, you can add customers and benchmarks. So if you want to simply modify your account settings, you can head over to that, and here you can see your company details. You can add teams and even invite different type of members, DNS configuration, and much more. So this is a really nice platform. Now if you are still unsure about it, you can head over to this site, and here you can see the ratings and what people are saying about this platform. Strong performance software and amazing customer service and insight. Now if you want to dive a bit more deep inside the reviews, you can go ahead as well and see in the detailed reviews what people are saying about it. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Do not forget to head over to the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.